So when you study stuff like ambiguity, uncertainty, ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, and within some syntactical context, vagueness. And humor is predicated on a lot of ambiguity or multiple interpretation. And we know that linguistics is pervasive with ambiguity. Like the word watch is a noun and a verb simultaneously. So that's cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary. Interdisciplinary is where two disciplines overlap on a molecular level. And one example of that is physics. This is where physics meets linguistics, primarily when we get into the areas of literary devices, primarily figurative and rhetorical devices. The power of persuasion, things like sarcasm and condescension. Sarcasm is a literal statement, but the contrasting interpretation derived from tone. And this is where interdisciplinary delves into where physics meets linguistics. Why is a sarcastic statement literal, but the contrasting interpretation derived from tone? And it has to do with the intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation, the rise and fall in speech. And this is an area in linguistics, where we get into phonetics and phonology.